Hi, I'm Steve Kober, and I'm one of the producers of the Humber Transmedia Fellowship for summer 2018. The Transmedia Fellowship is kind of an interesting program that takes several students from different programs in Humber and gives them 14 weeks to create a blue sky project.
The project I'm doing here today is called Together. So it's actually, it's basically an installation that is meant to create a connection between two people. We created this booth kind of just to create a private space for people to have a conversation. One of the main things we wanted to do is kind of get people to disconnect from reality and just take the time to sit down and reflect. We ended up coming to this conclusion based on our experiences living in the city. So the main thing with this project is that the reason why it's called Together is because we're trying to find human connection in Toronto.
One of the biggest benefits that comes out of this program is not only for the students' experience, but also for the fact that Humber now has a really interesting project like the Together booth that can apply to a number of circumstances. It could be used on Culture Day, it could be used with the Aboriginal Resource Centre. It's really about connecting the audience together, and so as a platform, it could be a turnkey solution that could be part of the Humber experience for the next few years.